What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix a problem when you're unable to accept terms and conditions on your iPhone. If you're trying to agree to the terms and conditions of an application or contract on your iPhone, but the agree button is unresponsive, don't worry. This is usually caused by a temporary software bug or glitch, and it's something you can easily fix. The solution is as simple as restarting your device. To restart your iPhone, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open the control center. In the control center, look for the power button icon at the top right and tap on it. This will bring up a slide to power off screen. Drag the slider to the right to power off your device completely. Once your iPhone is turned off, wait for a few seconds. To turn it back on, press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo appear on the screen. This restart process will clear any temporary glitches and should allow you to proceed with accepting the terms and conditions. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.